Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart WhatsApp Alert Notification plugin. Now this particular extension allows the admin to enable the functionality of sending alert notifications onto the customer's WhatsApp number. WhatsApp notifications are sent onto the customer's WhatsApp number at the time of customer registration, order place, order status change. WhatsApp notifications are also sent in the case when the customer applies for a return or the admin places a return request on behalf of the customer. Apart from that, WhatsApp notification is also sent out onto the WhatsApp number of the customer whenever the status of the return is changed as well. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out all of these WhatsApp notifications that are received by the customer on his WhatsApp number at the time of registration, order place, order status change, and when the customer applies for a return there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now what I've done is to demonstrate you the particular WhatsApp notifications that are received by the customers on their mobile devices. I've made use of the Android device there, and what I'll be doing is I've opened the demo or the storefront on my mobile device itself to make it easier for placing the order for registration purposes as well. So I'll be doing everything here from the Android web browser itself, and then we'll be receiving the different notifications, and I'll be showing you the notifications that we receive on the customer's WhatsApp number there. So first of all, let's get ahead and let's see how the customer gets the WhatsApp notification at the time of registration. So for that, I'll just tap here and tap on the register option, and I'll be registering a new account here. So I'll enter the details of the user, Peter Doe, the email address of the customer. We have to enter the telephone number of the user there on which he has the WhatsApp working. Then we'll set out the password for our account. I'll set the password for the account here as well. I'll retype the password. I'll accept the privacy policy and I'll tap here on the continue button thereafter. As soon as we have tapped on the continue button, we'll be registered on the account here, and you can see that a WhatsApp notification has been received. Congrats Peter Doe, registration done, welcome to the particular store, and from this particular link you can also log into your account there. Now let's see how the customer would receive the WhatsApp notification at the time of order place. So for that, first what I'll do is I'll just add my address. So I'll just go here and I'll add a new address. So I'll enter the details here. Peter Doe, 32 Street Lane. I'll set the city. I'll set the postcode. I'll choose the country. I'll choose the country as India there for this demonstration. I'll choose the region state as Uttar Pradesh, and I'll tap here on the continue button thereafter. So the address book entry has been saved. Now let's go to any of the categories there. Let's go to the daily deals, and here on the daily deals, let's add this particular product into the cart. Let's go to the cart. So here we are having Sony Vaio for $70. Let's tap here on the checkout button. Let's tap here on the continue for billing details, for delivery details. Let's select the delivery method, tap on the continue, accept terms and conditions, and tap on the continue button after selecting the payment method, and let's confirm the order. Now as soon as the order has been confirmed, another message would be received. So you can see that the order successful message has been received by the customer. Congrats Peter Doe, order successful. Order detail is product Sony Vaio, the details of the product, model, quantity, price total, subtotal, flat rate shipping and total is visible here. Visit us at and order link are visible here to the customer there on their WhatsApp number. So this was the registration workflow of the WhatsApp notification that has been received by the customer and the order place. Now let's see the notification message that the customer receives at the time when the order is being order status is being updated by the admin from the backend panel. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just go to the admin backend panel and I'll go to the particular order and I'll be viewing that particular order and I'll update the status to processed. I'll choose notify customer and I'll tap on the add history there in the admin backend panel. As soon as the order status has been updated, you can see that we got an update for that as well. Who Peter Doe, did you hear it? Your order status just got changed. Order status is processed, right? Now let's see the WhatsApp notification when the customer goes for a return there. So let's go to my account here and order history. Here's the order that we had placed. Let's view the order. Let's scroll down. Let me scroll to the right and here we have a return option. Let me tap on the return. Here the details are already filled. My telephone number is there, order number is there. Return date on arrival. Product is opened, yes. If I want, I can give any other details as well. Let's tap here on the submit button. Now you can see another WhatsApp notification has been received. Hi, hey Peter Doe, did you just add a return for your order? Your return ID is 4. Return order detail is return details. Return ID is 4. So on and so forth. Reason, date on arrival, opened, yes. Written comments, visit us at. So these are the WhatsApp notifications that the customer receives using this particular extension that allows the admin to enable the functionality of sending the alert notifications on the customer's WhatsApp number at the time of registration, order place, order status change, when a customer applies for a return, or when the admin places a return on behalf of the customer. And the notifications are also sent out to the WhatsApp number of the customer whenever the status of the return is changed as well. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin. That's the OpenCart WhatsApp alert notification plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.